How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to ShaveIceSupplies.com. I am Professor Snow. This week, we are starting a series of videos based around making different shave ice creations. As you can see in front of me, we are starting this week off with a classic, the rainbow. Now, everyone does their rainbow a little bit different, but most of them involve flavors with red, blue, and yellow colors. For this one, we are using banana for our yellow, blue Hawaii for our blue, and our friend strawberry for the red. We are going to begin with removing our ice mold from the freezer and setting it out at room temperature. This is going to warm up the ice, giving it better shaveability. Once the ice has tempered for around 10 minutes, we are going to begin shaving. Load the block into your shaver of choice. We're using a Fujimarca V3 for this one, and begin to shave. After you've formed your shave ice, we'll begin pouring the syrup using the 1/3 overlap method to ensure we get the additional colors between our primaries. The order can be changed to get different color combos, but for this one, we are going to go with yellow, then red, then blue, which will give us the in-between colors of purple and orange. So there you have it, the traditional rainbow. Simply add a snow cap if you choose, and it's ready to serve.